What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another edition of Let's Get Dirty Overlanding. All right. I'm JB, and today we're going to go back in time to about 2013 when I lived in the South Pacific, the Kingdom of Tonga to be more exact. We had a sailing vessel stop in. It's a training ship by the name of the Picton Castle. And Captain Dan Moreland was nice enough to invite us aboard to give us a tour and let us see a little bit about what their daily life is all about. This video is pieced together from a lot of GoPro footage that I captured back then. The audio's not very good, but at least you can get a little idea about what life's like on the ship. So y'all enjoy the episode. Hello, Skipper. How are you? Good. Thanks for allowing little movie camera. Little camera. And what is this that they're working on here?
Oh, that is a new gallant yard. Woo! I know you struggle. I know you're yeah, okay, good.
Howdy. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm just sneaking in.
That's fine. I'm gonna be
got a little movie going, so just act normal and.
It's gonna be a lot in French.
That's okay. We'll use subtitles.
Okay. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah, if you want to.
Are you the only one from
I'm just doing it.
We open it up, take off the green covering, take off the boards, and straight into the hole. Yeah.
How far down does that?
It goes about, let's say 15 feet.
Oh, so it's.
That's pretty
You don't
big.
want to fall.
You have to learn the names of and the purpose of.
Oh, and each one probably has a different name.
Oh yes, they do. This is all the stuff for the lowermost sail. So this is the process of learning not just what they are, but what to do with them. That's really where you become.
Yeah, names are one thing, but knowing
I
where.
know what this is. Go ahead. What do I do with it? So up here is the quarter deck.
Us any kind of signification there as far as.
Well, green is starboard and red is port. And it's not, yeah, you don't want to touch them. What they do is when compass normally, and be careful, it's delicate, so don't touch it. But the mate will come and say, steer east by south, half south. We don't use the numbers; we use the actual points of the compass. So when you're steering, your only job is to keep this line right here in one place. If you want to turn this ship, you need 3 full rotations, and then you wait about 30 seconds, and then the ship turns. So she's very slow.
Take a photo of me, JB.
I've got it. It's rolling. You're a movie star.
Yes, I'm a movie star. We're going to where? New Caledonia?
You see the sail? It's done by hand. Someone actually sewed this by hand. And all of the grommets, the holes here, and all done by hand. It takes a long time to make the sail, and we have 18 sails. And each sail lasts about 5 years. So we're always making new sails.
My house right next to, let's go over the top of my finger, the little building just left of the boat. It's got the bluish green balcony. That's where my dogs swim.
After a long journey, you know, you're kind of down to onions and potatoes. There's 3 heads on the ship and 3 showers as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a head and a shower. Just kind of your usual marine pad.
Yeah. Nothing too fancy, but not near as
It's not
basic as what it could be.
It's water.
I'm good. I'm good. I just had a couple of Heinekens to get me started, so aloha deck.
Yeah, where we hang out.
Nobody's stuck with one position. So when you're in port, he gets kind of a break.
Yeah.
Everybody else takes care of. Okay.
Yes, and then this is a captain's head.
We won't get too personal here, folks, but that way you get a little view.
So you here.
Oh, even more.
Quarters. This is where the girls sleep. It's called the Bat Cave.
The Bat Cave.
Traditionally, it is where the young females that, you know, want to be
females without boys.
Yes, because at the other end, in the forepeak, is Bro Cave.
Gotcha.
There's still a lot of stuff in different places. This is our fire hose, another hose. Yeah, we have drills, kind of once a month, fire drills. And
Safety
drills.
and
So this is the salon. It's another place where we're on sleep. And we also, this is the Bro Cave.
this is the infamous Bro Cave.
This is where all the guys who, yeah, what they do is, the strategy is young women in the back, young men in the front, and mature adults in the salon. Now this is cool. You see the anchor out there? When we do one of the things we have to do every hour, on the hour, without fail, day and night, no matter what's going on, is a ship check.
Okay.
And that's, you walk through the whole ship and you check for leaks, you check the bilge.
Anything
you check
that
for
could.
fire, you know, just check a whole bunch of stuff. Check the freezers are running. So even in port at night, every hour you have someone coming in here, opening up the chain locker, turning on the light and looking in to see how the
Just
bilge is.
making sure.
Which means it sucks to sleep there.
That's why there's a bottle of Help Me Sleep right there.
Yes, that's Brody's particular medicine.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Yeah. Oh, wait, before we go up, let me show you the hole.
Lynx is like a wild cat.
Oh.
Where Lynx is a very fierce animal.
This is the bottom side of what we saw upstairs, the hatch.
You take the iron strong backs.
And then that drops down into. Hello, Wilson. You're a movie star now.
So we have the rest of the mango.
Thank you for having me. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's vlog. Coming to you from not Tonga. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit that thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment if you have any questions. And until we meet again, let's get dirty.